About this item: Apple M-Fi Certified Charger 6 FTR Apple Charger Cable compatible with iPhone 12/iPhone 11/iPhone 11 Pro/iPhone 11 Pro Max/iPhone XS/iPhone Max/iPhone XR/iPhone X/iPhone 8 Plus/iPhone 8/iPhone 7 Plus/iPhone 7/iPhone SIXS Plus/iPhone 6S/iPhone 6 Plus/iPhone 6/iPhone 5S/iPhone 5C/iPhone iPhone 5/iPad Pro/iPad Air/Air 2/iPad Mini/Mini 2/Mini 4/iPad 4th Gen/iPod Touch 5th Gen/iPod Apple Chargers perfect compatibility. The Apple M-Fi certified chip ensures that the cable can output safe and effective current for the device. The iPhone charging cable is composed of high-quality copper wires, which can accept 2.4A current for fast charging and 480 Mbps/s fast data transmission. Reinforced durable, Apple charging cable with reinforced joint design that have passed 12,000 times are made of high-quality heat-resistant aluminum alloy. The terminals are durable reinforced, which designed to withstand your day-to-day wear and tear but also keep strong fast charging lightning cable. High-quality 4-core copper wires. Enhance charging and data transfer speed of the Apple chargers for iPhone. Our technology ensures a faster charging time while keeping your iPhone charged.